Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about sensitivity. Sensitivity means you feel energy on a deeper level than most of the people around you. You may intuitively know what other people are thinking and feeling before they express it verbally. I'm talking about innate intuition here, not projection and assumptions. Sensitive people often absorb the feelings and emotions of the people around them. Hence, you may find your fears become exaggerated when your sensitivity is turned up. To resolve oversensitivity, learn to confront your fears. Work towards getting to know yourself better. You need to be aware of your feelings so that you can tell when you're being unduly influenced by the energy of others. Developing your intuition will help you manage energy that is not yours. Sensitivity is a gift. Always trust your intuition. However, oversensitivity is an imbalance. You have the strength and the wisdom to overcome oversensitivity in all of your situations. Remember, until we meet again, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.